The MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Sky Predator, is an unmanned aircraft designed and manufactured by the military company General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. The aircraft has played a key role in military unmanned aviation since its introduction in 2007 by the United States Air Force. Equipped with various sensors and advanced reconnaissance systems, Reaper has the ability to carry out accurate surveillance and monitoring. Radar, infrared cameras, and electro-optical devices enable the aircraft to detect targets and gather valuable intelligence. One of the main features of the MQ-9 Reaper is its ability to operate for long periods of time without interruption. With its high flying capability, the aircraft can stay in the air for hours or even days, making it an invaluable asset in long-range reconnaissance and border monitoring missions. In addition to the reconnaissance function, the Reaper also has a heavy weapon load that can be carried for precision strike missions. This capability allows this aircraft to destroy specified targets with high accuracy, making it a very effective tool in supporting military operations. The Reaper has been used in various military operations in various countries, including in Afghanistan, Iraq, and various other battlefields. Its superiority in providing air support and tactical intelligence has proven itself in the modern battlefield. However, the use of the Reaper has also generated controversy. The drone strikes carried out by these aircraft have raised concerns about their impact on civilians and ethical issues in modern warfare. Along with technological developments, Reaper continues to experience improvements and updates to maintain its competitiveness. The General Atomics Company continues to carry out developments to improve the avionics systems, sensors, and capabilities of this aircraft. In addition to military applications, the Reaper is also used in humanitarian missions, including natural disaster monitoring and search and rescue in remote areas. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool in providing emergency assistance. Although controversial, the presence of the MQ-9 Reaper has proven itself as an effective and efficient tool in modern military operations. With the continued development of drone technology, this aircraft is expected to remain an important element in national defense and global security strategies. With outstanding capabilities in reconnaissance, monitoring, and attack, the MQ-9 Reaper continues to be the first choice for many countries to strengthen their defense capabilities and maintain security in the future.